Okay, you have here a Samsung Galaxy A71, and yes, you forgot your password. You can't get into your phone, you have no idea what's the PIN number. So, what to do now? Basically, what you need to do first is power off your display, power on again, and then press together volume down and power button and hold these two buttons. You will get in the menu where you can power off your phone. This doesn't work because you don't know the password. So, you will need an USB-C cable connected to your computer. And we plug it in here. Then, what we will do, we will click all three buttons here, volume up, volume down, and the power button, all three buttons at the same time, and hold them until the phone will reboot. And when the phone will reboot, then you will release the power key and the volume down key, but you will keep holding the volume up button. If it won't work for the first time, try again. It must work. So, at first, we press all three buttons together. Volume up, volume down, and power button. And we keep holding them until we hear or we feel that the phone vibrates and restarts. When it restarts, you release the power button. Okay, so we came in the download mode. We don't want to be in the download mode, we just want to be in the recovery menu. So I'm going here to cancel. For this, I'm going to click volume down. Okay, now we try to keep holding volume up and power button. If it maybe will work, if not, we will need to restart the phone again. So it doesn't work because the phone is already booting up. So again, we will need to press all three buttons. When the screen will go black, then you release the power button and volume down and keep holding the volume up button. Okay, let's try again. All three buttons at the same time. Keep holding. Keep holding. Keep holding. Okay, now you release the power button volume down, but keep holding the volume up button. Keep holding. Still keep holding. Keep pressing, not holding. My English is not that good. Okay, something is going on. As we see here. So, probably this didn't work for you, as it didn't work for me. So we need to force and reboot it once again. So, once again, we press volume up, volume down and the power button at the same time. Keep pressing them. And now we try something else. Okay, the phone rebooted. Now I keep holding the volume up and volume down button at the same time. And again, I'm in a download menu. So something went wrong. I click volume down for cancel. I click again volume up, volume down and the power button at the same time. Keep holding them until the phone reboots. Okay, now I'm keep holding volume up and power button at the same time. I still keep holding them. Volume up and the power button. Okay, that did work. Now we disconnect the phone and you will see here the menu. Let's go down and choose first Wipe Cache Partition. You confirm with the power button. Click on yes. Confirm with the power button. And now go down to Wipe Data and Factory Reset. Confirm with the power button. Go down and confirm again. This will this will erase your phone to factory settings. It will actually hard reset and your phone will be blank. It will be like you bought it today from the shop. No photos, no contacts, nothing, but you can use your phone. And probably when you reboot, you will need to put in your Gmail account and your password. So now when it's done, go up to Reboot System Now and confirm. Okay, so the phone restarted and it's almost like new now. So you just need to follow the activation steps like you bought a new phone. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.